hot water on top. And we're just gonna swirl that around so our Jolly Ranchers will get nice and soft. All right, we're gonna take our Jolly Rancher out of the plastic. And now we're just going to stretch and press into our Jolly Rancher at the same time. It's a little bit slippery. I'm gonna pour some hot water on top. And we're just gonna swirl that around so our Jolly Ranchers will get nice and soft. All right, we're gonna take our Jolly Rancher out of the plastic. And now we're just going to stretch and press into our Jolly Rancher and pull at the same time. It's a little bit slippery. We're gonna pull up like this. And we're just gonna kind of fold it, give it a little bit of movement, just like you would see a leaf. Place that on the plate. To the second one. Same, we're just gonna pull that, kind of fold it. And then we'll place it onto our plate to cool. And I'll take these with me. I have my chocolate here. I've colored some white chocolate. We're just gonna pour a little bit into each of our bowls. And I'm gonna take a bamboo skewer and we're gonna start swirling that around. And then we'll go on to the next one. Place this aside. Let's start filling with all of our balloons. Perfect one. We'll start here with the yellow. I'm just gonna press it down into the chocolate and I'm gonna kind of tip it back and forth along all the sides. It's starting to look like flower petals. I'm gonna come place this onto my baking sheet and we'll continue. You see those beautiful lines in the chocolate here. We'll place this one here and now we'll take these to the refrigerator to set. We'll place these in the refrigerator to set for about 30 minutes. Our balloons are out of the refrigerator and now we're just going to cut a small hole. Let all the air out. Pull that off. And we're going to put it on our plate. We'll take these. I have my lemon poppy seed cake here and we're going to start putting our layers together. I'm going to start by piping a border here. You want it to be a little bit thick. And I'm going to take some lemon curd. I'm just going to pour that here in the center. And I'm going to use my spatula and we'll just spread that out evenly. I'm going to come back and place the top layer of cake on top. So you see that's nice and even. And we're going to begin covering our cake with our frosting. And we're just going to continue kind of giving a thin layer around the outside of our cake. And we're going to come back and we're going to smooth that around. I'm just going to use my spatula. I'm just going to fill in any gaps that we see. And I'm going to come back and give it a nice smooth outer layer. We're just going to finish smoothing out the sides. And we're going to take this to chill. Our cake is ready. And now we're going to start our decoration. We're going to start by placing some green twizzlers. We're going to space those out. Now we'll start adding our tulips. Okay, now we're going to place the inside. We'll place our last little tulip here. And now I'm going to start placing my leaves. Okay, now we're going to serve up our shot in our little tulip shot glasses.